ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Monolith Festival lani ka tamasa maubuna ya kabala pelong da ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kalakut no harangkat ka jing ipo iping da ka jingwan bania snok tilang renti da ki paitba jong kari Khasi harangkat ki jing syat bat ki jing ruai tenrai. Hagani ka sngi bapenkut no ya ka Monolith Festival la Sakhi ya ka jingwan ban tuit ki paitba bat kham tam ki Nongwan Jngohkai Pyrthei ki badai na ki wei kiri jong ka Pyrthei ban Sakhi ya ka Jingriew Spah jong ka Riti ka Dustur jong ka Jingriew Khasi. Hagani ka sngi bapenkut ya ka Monolith Festival lawan bani simenta lang da ukonrat ke sangma ubadai menteri rang ba aku mu kongsan baru ba pol lengdo ubadai menteri sarkar bo pek ya ka tanat Jngohkai Pyrthei Kumu sembut kongsan.
Amanu panudir panam yaki syakitai syakitai kumuklur jompi. Amanu panudir panam yaki syakitai syakitai
Alor ki maudom ki ba kerpang jom ki ba penlong ingi ke jat Jingriew ka ba kerpang hanta insan bat nginak kiu irat nang ne chikaman asmotenat pengawan hangi shibenta kumu guest of honor ndai hagoi pat kalian amde guest Adairu host, kumu member Jngohkai District Council Najayau constituency. Mat kamtam kum ukun uba imeka jonga ide traishnong nani namau plang ngalakam de traishnong mga banyabun naki para MDC. Gidap da kajing sarong pagade ke festival ilala ban pen KM yang mentang slam bat banyui ya ka jingi shimda ka shidhem joki paitlang jong keri ke jongi bat idon ru hangi ki visitors ki bawan nashabar jong ke jela Meghalaya kani ka festival ai bakanang kham krau kan kenjo ya ka ba ki festival jong ki wei pat ki jat Jingriew kilala ban kot kabakongsan kebong usi yang mentan kalong bangin persang banwat ya kilat kilenti bang desong ya kajat Jingriew kejongi lingba kibakum kini ki festival kibakum kini kijingya kenduk lang dengan ngait bagajing stang hakisnam kibanwan kan kentup ru bante song lang ya kajat Jingriew kejongi nyau trap nyau wasa nak bastang nakari ki lighthouse em bat ki khat al doloi ladang lala bande kumta ka vision jong pi bangin mi bat ben kmi shabar jong gajala lajong kalong kabas kem bat kabadon katong di ngak kitbok kitwang ya borok kinang esim benta pa ginang pun crowd ya ke vision ke jongi ginang pun scam ya ke jingit ke jongi pa haba ka Riti ka Dustur ka im ka Jingriew ka im ka ketingin ka kendau ka kur kita kedai kilai ki maudong jong ka Jingriew ka jongi land, language, lineage are the three cornerstones of our tribal community. When we strengthen them, we strengthen ourselves and we brace ourselves for a future worthy of us and worthy of our children and grandchildren. Sashi sien, ublain kerku, ya kijing persang jongi, but dongin le ya kababahatam pan kersiupat napo ikpep ya kiski barem unyau terap.
It is our duty and our responsibility to ensure that we do whatever it takes to protect, to preserve, and to promote the different aspects of our culture and our heritage. I'm very, very excited to see the kind of response that we have received in this particular edition of the Monolith Festival. Thousands and thousands of people have responded and have come here today, and it is a true reflection of the kind of support and the kind of excitement that people have for these kind of festivals. There are some among us who will criticize even festivals like these. And it is quite sad to see that when we are celebrating our culture, when we are celebrating who we are, celebrating our identity, why should there be criticism about festivals like these? In fact, we should be organizing more and more of these festivals. We should have some of our traditional markets functioning every day if possible. We should have our local vegetables, our local textiles, our local handicraft, different performances happening every weekend. I think this is the best way to celebrate, to remind ourselves about our identity and about our rich cultural heritage, and be able to really showcase it to the rest of the world. I'm sure hundreds of tourists today have come here. All these tourists will go back with wonderful memories of the Khasi culture. They will learn, they will speak about it, they will tell the world how wonderful the people of Meghalaya are and how beautiful the culture of Meghalaya is. And that's truly the great blessing that we should have, and I hope that our CEM and the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and all our traditional heads, along with the state government, we will work together in order to make that a possibility. And not only this year, I assure our CEM, our very young and dynamic CEM, and all the other members of the Khasi Hills District Council and the other traditional heads who are here, I assure you of full support from the government side. Friends, I also would like to add that the district councils and the state of Meghalaya have also embarked on a new journey. And this journey is in the field of research. The government of Meghalaya, starting this year itself, has given a research fund of 50 lakh rupees to each of the district councils. This is only a beginning, and every year we will increase the amount so that the district councils can start doing research, documenting on paper, in videos, and different ways in which they will keep a record of different cultural aspects of all the tribes of our state of Meghalaya. I'm also happy to announce that under the leadership of Paul Lingdo, who is our Art and Culture Minister, we will be starting a program called the CM's Research Scholarship Program, where every year we will be funding up to 3 lakh rupees per researcher, per scholar, and up to about 50 researchers every year will be funded by government of Meghalaya to do research on our culture and different historic aspects of the state. There will be a committee that will be formed, and this committee will screen different applicants, and then funds will be given to these scholars who may be students, who may be lecturers, who may be professors, but will work hand in hand with the government of Meghalaya to then produce, do research, and have documentation on different aspects of art and culture and the heritage and the history of our beautiful state. So friends, I don't want to take much time. This is a great program. As mentioned, I'm so happy to see the response, and as CEM was mentioning, that we have never seen a response like this. It is truly amazing, and it gives me personally a great sense of satisfaction. So once again, wishing this festival the very best, and congratulating each and every stakeholder for having organized this wonderful program, and wish this festival the very best.
Habang iklan Henrik ay ngendon ngihon ban ban tang jabat tung terkhong jing bishni jing bihon ru om judon tang jing ida phai ta yang kamon parang marjan ngi juyale kai lang Ông lepas untuk kemenangan Shiny mareban nung sa gitan Shwaban oi may happen that ikam Bendiang ka charging taba in your arm Ông sung itiu hading habang datang Ba in sung inside ba in jatan